Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, out at Yate today being Monday the 30th of January. Going to try and put this in a slightly different order to normal. I'll show you the stuff that caught my eye and I didn't buy, and then we'll talk about this stuff that I did buy. Oh, that's tempting. Well, I've already got 2 of these, so I'm not going to buy a 3rd one. But they were good fun. Action Man. How much do they want for that one? £10.99. Oh. And I spotted something else. Look, that's one of mine. Somebody's dumped it in here. Not me, I left it in the car park. The wheels aren't driven. I think that battery is just for sound effects. Nice bit of detail on it though. Oh, I just spotted that. How much for that one? £2.99. I've got to have it. Yeah, I'm going to have to buy that one.
Sorry? I think it'll be okay. Yeah.
So that was the stuff that I didn't buy, although I think I also included this fella in that video. In fact, we'll talk about him first. Let's just shove these other bits out the way for now. Yeah, spotted this, and it comes from a series that I love, series of clockwork novelties. £2.99, a bit more than I like to pay for anything, but I think it was probably worth it. Just show you the other one that I've got from the same series. This fella, still in the plastic box with the instructions, so in better condition. I think, yeah, that's the collection. We've got pictures of all of them. That's this one, isn't it? There we go. So this one is Cranky. So you can put reminders up on here, your business cards or pictures or whatever, just as a handy little display. There'll be a link in the video description to my video of that one, so we won't cover it again now. This one looks like he's been fairly well used. Bit of dirt on him, slightly discoloured. Oh, it actually says Cranky on there. Let me get close up on that. There you go. Yeah, Cranky. So, yeah. Let's just see if we can get him to run. Which way are we going to wind him up? That looks like the right way. It is slipping over the gears a little bit, so it is well worn. I don't want to overwind it, just in case we break anything. Yeah, that was it. That other one, which I won't show you again, you'll have to look at the original video, but that one actually sparkles as well, a bit like the old-fashioned cigarette lighters where you've got a flint in it, and as it spins round, it sends a shower of sparks, whereas this one's a bit simpler. Just a novelty, just a bit of fun. By, does it have the name on there? Kickerland Design. Yeah, this one sparkles, yeah, Kickerland. All right, so that was that. So I will keep that one. Next on the list, I've done quite a few of these. I may even have done this one before, but it was for £1. That is £1, not 1,100 quid. I do enjoy them. They're nice, simple, clip together, and they work. If you haven't seen them before, they come flat pack. It's a plastic card, and you poke the bits out and put them together. Instructions there, and a wind-up motor. Hang on. Oh yeah. Front wheels are there. The back wheels have actually got rubber tyres. So that'll go in my little collection. I've got quite a few to do on quiet days or when we're on holiday or something like that. £1. That's about what they were brand new, although some shops sell them for significantly more. 6 in the range of this one. Definitely done that one. That one. I think I've done that one rather than that one. Can't remember. But it'll be in my collection now. And then finally this one. I've been doing a series, a 12-in-1 solar and hydraulic robotic thing like this that I'm quite enjoying putting together. I've looked at these in the past and decided not to buy them, but having enjoyed the kit that I'm doing at the moment, I thought I would buy this one and give it a go. £2. It looks like that connects stuff, but it actually says Loz. It doesn't say connects on there anywhere, but it's definitely that type of connection. Let's open it up and see if we've got a complete kit in there. Always a risk when you buy something in a charity shop. You never quite know what's going to be inside. Sometimes you're lucky, it's brand new and unused, and sometimes somebody's just chucked it back in the box when they finished with it. That's brand new and unused, isn't it? Still sealed. So that is excellent. That's the electric motor. Oh, that does look... I was going to say that looks dirty. May just be discoloured. Still got the stickers. Two sets of instructions. I just like walking robots. And many years ago I did do a series on them where I was making them from scrap pieces, cardboard and hot glue and that sort of thing. Yeah, it definitely looks like K'NEX, but it's branded Loz. That's from a different kit, isn't it? I'm sure that. Is that dirt on there? No, that's not dirt. That is actually part of the design. But that kit hasn't got black wheels in it, black tyres. Not big ones like that. So I think that's the instructions from another kit. That is the one. Scorpion. And that 12-in-1 solar hydraulic kit, I've just done the Scorpion in that. So there we go. That's what we bought today. There'll be separate videos assembling this one, which will be quite a while before I get round to doing that. That one at some time when on board. And that one will just go on a window ledge or a shelf somewhere. I just love wind-up clockwork stuff. Well, that's wind-up clockwork too. No battery required. Okay, just very quickly. That'll do. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.